Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Hey guys, I want Urata needs help, guys. Urata is going to hallucinate in that court. The stuff that he does, he's been quiet for the past 2 days. He was worse yesterday. Now, uzogibelana nomnisi wabantu. Ethi nje ucela nje ukuthi at least abuze about ecourt bathumazi ngo-2014 uMabhungu uncle kaSibiya. So umnisi all they wanted to go and find out from umuzi kakhulelwa Sibiya ukuthi ene ushone nini lo uncle ngoba apparently usho washona, and on top of that uNtanze uthi angimazi nokumazi lo muntu mina. So uRatha ke went crazy on umnisi ke. Did you think umnisi umyekile? And i-phone number that's in question yena uthi wayithola ngo-2018, laba bathi wayithola ngo-2014. And he also did mention ukuthi, you know what, babe ngishaya uMkhulu uMamfundisi kanye noBrigadier Ginenda, there was rumor ukuthi bayajola ngoba uyasho ukuthi they were always together in the same car. There was another rumor ukuthi bake babona uMkhulu wabonakala when uBrigadier Ginenda was testifying, you remember? Bathiwa eba khona sisters kuye nobhala ama-notes wenza yonke into ngathi no, then bayajola kanjalo. So in a way ke uRatha did succeed in shutting down umnisi. Umnisi was just like, actually, you know what, I can't even get answers from accused number one. It's fine. He was very calm about it. He was just like, okay, my lord, this is your day. You can have it. I give it to you. He moved on. He was just like, no, man can continue. Actually, I'm done, in fact, with accused number 2.
Were there instances where you were assaulted when the lead investigator in this case, Brigadier Ginenda, was there?
Ingaba ayekhona yini amahlandla la khona owawushaywa khona ekhona uBrigadier Ginenda?
Wayefika sengishawa hayi kodwa kwaqala ukushaywa kwami khona wayefika sengishawa khona.
He would arrive when I was being assaulted, not that the assault would start in his presence.
Yes.
But on his arrival the assault would be assaulted already by then.
Kuselokhuzeni le kubaba uRaphat lapha afika khona nga mayefika nje enza ngathi uyaqhelwe yale ekhona kodwa lapha.
It was when I was with Colonel Raphadu when he just moved away, but he was there. He just sort of moved away, a distance away, and came back again.
Thank you. Were there instances where, I don't know whether she's an assistant lead investigator or what, that's now Sergeant Mohula. Are there instances where she was present when you were also assaulted?
Ingaba khona yini amahlandla la ayeba khona uSergeant Mohula uMamfundisi uma ushaywa?
Bebengahlukana noGinenda kwaSaphandeni.
Him and Ginenda, sorry, she and Ginenda were inseparable.
Nguye to be drive imoto ngathi Mamfundisi uGinenda ehlala eceleni.
She used to drive the car and Ginenda would be the passenger.
Ngoba ngisho seRustenburg imoto elandelana uGinenda wayehlala eceleni uMkhulu edriver lo ama-crash band ehlele emuva.
Even in Rustenburg, as the cars were following each other, Mamfundisi was the driver, Ginenda was the passenger, and then the gentleman with the braces was seated at the back.
Yes, but Mr. Ntanzi, my question is, are there instances where you were assaulted in the presence?
Mnumzana Ntanzi, umbuzo wami uthi ayeba khona yini amahlandla la owawushaywa khona uMamfundisi ekhona?
Yebo Nkosi Nkandla.
Yes, my lord.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Ntanzi, is it your evidence that before you were taken to Mr. Raphadu, where according to the state you allegedly made a confession, you were assaulted?
Ingabe kubufakazi bakho yini ukuthi ngaphambilini kokuthi uhanjiswe kuyena uColonel Raphadu la umbuso noma abashushiswa bathi khona-ke wahamba wayegonyuluka khona, ubufakazi bakho yini ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi usiwe lapho washaywa?
Yeah, what was the 18?
Yes, it was on the 18th where the assault started. And I went to Raphadu on the 19th.
Yes. Now, is it further your evidence that also before you could be taken to Magistrate Ms. Kronje for the alleged confession as the state, that's now according to the state, you were also assaulted?
Ingabe kubufakazi bakho yini ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi uhanjiswe kuyena magistrate othi ke uma umchaza wena ukuthi umama uMlungu ukuthi nalapho washaywa ngaphambi kokuthi siwe kuyena.
Angishawanga ekuseni bona bafike nje bangithatha mina ngisibonanga isikhathi angishawanga lelo langa mangishaya sengishaya sibethi alisayo.
I was not assaulted in the morning or in the afternoon because I did not look at the time. They just came, fetched me and took me to her, but it was after I had gone to her when I was told to sign that I was assaulted.
But is there an occasion where you were assaulted? It could not have been the same day, could have been 2 or 3 days before, or any other day before you were taken to her where you were also assaulted to admit to the death of the deceased.
Kungaba usuku insuku embili noma ey'ntathu ngaphambi kokuthi uhanjiswe kuyena, kodwa ngabe sikhona yini isikhathi lapho washaywa khona ngaphambi kokuthi uye kuyena umanje.
Yebo kwezi 18 19 ngashawanga zamanje lapho kulandelana.
Yes, it was the 18th as well as the 19th when I was assaulted. That is now consecutively.
Thank you, Mr. Ntanji. Now, in totality, Mr. Ntanji, why were you assaulted?
Manje ke wawushayelwana.
Ekuqala nje garage babethi ngiphike icala nasi ukuthi mina ngasi sokufoda senzo.
Firstly, at the garage, they said that I was denying the matter, and I was telling them that I know nothing about the death of Senzo.
Ngoba namagama bewabhekisa babesho khona ukuthi wawukuphuma uFusenzo ubani waduba Senzo ngithi mina ngasi.
Even the words that they were directing to me was who shot Senzo, where were you on the day that Senzo was killed? I would then say I don't know.
Ngoba nendawo zaseFosolas babengibuza ngazo ngabajenta ngizazi.
Even the areas or the places in Phosphorus that they were asking me about, I told them I don't know the places. I won't even be able to point them out.
Nge-19 kosenkantolo khona ngangisho ukuthi fanele ngisayine istatement ayikho into angayikhuluma nobaba kaPhalo.
And then on the 19th, I was assaulted so as for me to sign the statement. And there's nothing that I spoke or said to Mr. Rapadu. Hence, I am saying before this court, my lord, that there's nothing that I did out of my own free will. I was being forced.
Mr. Ntanji, will it be a correct conclusion to therefore say that the reason why, according to you, you were assaulted is because you have been forced to admit to being complicit in the killing of the deceased in the matter?
Ngabe ke kuzoba yikona-ke ukuthi ngokusho kwakho ukuthi ushaywe noma ke izathu owushayelwa sona kwakuwukuthi ke ushayelwa ukuthi uvume noma ke bethi bona-ke ukuthi wawuyingxenye yokubulawa kwakhe uSenzo.
Ngingasho ukuthi into eyodwa ngoba maze ukuthi umuntu kimi kosenkantolo athi wawukhona makubulawa uSenzo ukuthi mina ngangingakanganga ukuthi uSenzo washona kuziphi ingalo ungishayo.
I would say it's the same thing, my lord, when someone says, where were you when Senzo was killed? And then I say, I don't know, and thereafter you assault me. You want me to admit. That is why then, my lord, I was denying to them that I never killed Senzo.
Thank you, Mr. Ntanji. You made mention in your evidence in chief when you're being led about by Mr. Ramusipili. You made mention of the name Mabungu. Do you still remember that?
Uyakhumbula ke nkathi uhlonye imibuzo uyena ubaba Ramusipile ukhulume ngomabhungu.
Do you still remember?
Yes. Yes, I heard yesterday.
And in fact, if I've got my notes right, there was an allegation that you had some contact with this Mr. Mabungu, not so. That's now according to the cell phone records that the state presented in its evidence.
Ngokwamaphepha-ke ama-cellphone akhishwe-ke kwakuney'nsolo-ke noma bekuney'nsolo-ke ezithi wawunako ukuxhumana naye uMabhungu angithi. That's what they allege. I don't know Mabungu.
Thank you. Would you still recall well did the state allege you had these contacts with this said Mr. Mabongo?
Where or when?
When?
Ngabe usakhumbula yini ukuthi insolo lezo ke ithini ukuthi kwakunini uma uxhumana nayo uMabhungu?
ngokusho kwabo lapha ecourt badila u-2014 ngokusho kwabo lapha ecourt.
According to the allegations here in court, it was in 2014.
Manje mina into engimangaza inamba yami le lapha ecourt akufika 2014 era 2018.
Now, what comes as a surprise to me is that the number that is being presented, my number that is being presented here in court, is a 2018 number, not a 2014.
Manje mina into engimangaza uMabhungu angimaza kuqala nje.
Firstly, what comes as a surprise to me is that Mabungu is unknown to me.
Ngoba ngisho sibiya ngembuzile ukuthi ubani uMabhungu angitshela ngathi umalume wakhe.
Because even I inquired from Sibia as to who Mabungu is, and he told me that it's his uncle.
Manje ngase ngimbuza ukuthi ubangitshela ukuthi umalume wakhe uswendlule emhlabeni.
I then asked him about his uncle's whereabouts. He then told me that his uncle is no more or is deceased.
Manje ke lapha phambi kwekatolo into mina ngisibuza ukuthi inamba yami ya 2018 ngimfonela kanjani umuntu othi uswendlule emhlabeni angamoto awendlula ngo-2016 or 2015 angazi ngifuna ukwathi ngimfonela kanjani lo muntu lo.
Now my question before this court is, how is it then possible that my number that I used in 2018, it is then alleged that I made contact with someone who I'm being told passed away around 2016?
Manje ngiyasibuza ukuthi inamba yami ngimfonela kanjani umuntu oswendlule emhlabeni inamba yami ya 2018 lapha ecourt abayibiza bona ecourt 2018.
Now the number they made mention of here in court is a 2018 number. I then asked myself, how is it that I made contact with someone who is no more?
This CBR that you're saying you made inquiries from, who is he?
Ubando Sibia ubuze kuyena?
Nangisho khona.
The one seated over there.
Accused number 1.
Msola wokuqala?
Yeah.
Yes.
And you say, what did he tell you?
Uthi utheni uma ikuphendula uma ubuza ukuthi ubani uMabhungu waphendula wathini?
Wathi umalume
He
wakhe.
said it's his uncle.
And what did he say happened to him?
Wathi kwenzekani ngaye?
Wathi uswendlule emhlabeni.
That is no more. He's deceased.
Noma sengasakhumbula ukuthi uthe 2015 or 2016.
Although I'm not certain what he said, whether he passed away in 2015 or 2016,
Ngacela ummeli angibuzele yena ukuthi ngibe nesiqiniseko.
but I can just ask the legal representative to ask on my behalf so that I'm certain.
As it is a court, my lord, may I request the indulgence? Because I just think it is in the interest of justice that I confirm. I am saying, my lord, I request an indulgence.
You?
I request an indulgence to approach the accused number 1 because it is in the interest of justice that the information should be
Is
verified.
that allowed in law? Anywhere in the world, is it allowed?
Yes, it is allowed.
Where you are cross-examining a person, and then you ask for an indulgence to go and ask another person who is seated as an accused. Is it allowed?
I don't think there is any prejudice, my
It's
lord.
not allowed. Okay, fine.
As it
Continue.
please the court, my lord, I'm
Not
going
allowed.
to make an application to reopen severe
It's not
case.
allowed, sir. The law doesn't allow me to allow you to
It's-
ask a person seated there about what this witness who's under cross-examination wants to ascertain. It's not allowed. Hey, please, God.
There's no harm in that, my lord.
Yeah, fine. It's not allowed. Fine. You can continue.
There are alternatives, and I would use them, my lord. Mr. Ntanzi, thank you very much. That will be all from me.
Ngicacile ngiyabonga Mnumzane Utanzi.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Malo.